What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make vegan chicken Alfredo. For today's vegan Alfredo, you know I had to go with the Pumfu, guys. So we're gonna start by searing our Pumfu in a pan for 3 to 8 minutes on both sides. Sprinkle some of that seasoning on it, guys. Don't forget to do that so we could get that nice seasoned Pumfu flavor, alright guys? If you are receiving any value from my recipe videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright family, so after searing your Pumfu for 3 to 8 minutes on both sides, this is the golden brown color you're gonna want to see so it can resemble your vegan chicken. And don't forget to season your Pumfu, guys. This thing is great on flavor as long as you do it right. Look at that beautiful seared baby.
Alright family, so now we're gonna take these babies out. So we can start making our white sauce for our linguine. Alright family, so don't rinse your pan out, alright? We're gonna add everything into the pan for our chicken Alfredo white sauce. Add your butter, gonna add some garlic.
Alright family, so for our vegan chicken Alfredo white sauce, all you see is fresh ingredients, fresh parsley, and I'm also going to be using fresh basil. You can find the full recipe in the description below on my Patreon account, guys. Alright, so this is one of the best white sauces I ever made, and you guys will say the same. Alright, stay tuned. Alright family, add your linguine to your vegan white sauce. Slice your Pumfu and place it on top of your vegan chicken Alfredo. It's finally ready, family. I made vegan chicken Alfredo using soy-free tofu, guys. I can't wait to try it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Peace.
Slow, I will let you know.